age 27, from Sydney. He came to Glojas to do a smart FUE. 2000 graph was put in the design with the male pattern hair loss level 3. Today's day 7. Patient have followed our instruction. He have done a very good smart graft care, and we can see this is the angle, that the frontal temple angle that we fill up in the male pattern hair loss level 3. We can see there's no more microscapes anymore. All the grafts in place in the right angle, right direction, following the international standard. So we fill up here too. This area is called the forelock. We increase the density to prevent the light penetrating to this area. And this is on the left side, the frontal temple angle. All the graft is in place and following the direction and angle with the existing hair and the hair around the parotid area here.